Alright, TikTokers, here we are in central Oxford, one of the oldest universities in the land, and we're just doing a sample clean of some stone using Stonehouse clean film. Here we are then, TikTokers, we're back to do the removal, and it's going to be as simple as that, look. You can definitely see the amazing difference between the before and after, and that's using the Stonehouse clean film. So, if you're looking to get your interior stone cleaned using a professional company like Alfresco, 27 years of experience in the specialist industry, give us a call on 01235 754 000.